In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to factory reset your Windows 8 computer back to default settings. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. I'm going to type in PC settings. Best match should come back with PC settings. Left click on that. Now on the left side, you want to go ahead and left click on Update and Recovery. And now you want to left click on Recovery down there. So now you have a few options to choose from. You have the first option to refresh your PC without affecting your files. If your PC isn't running well, you can refresh it without losing your photos, music, videos, and other personal files. However, if you wanted to do a complete clean and start over with default factory settings by Windows, left click on the Get Started button for that option. So it's going to say, here's what will happen. All your personal files and apps will be removed. Your PC settings will be changed back to their defaults. Left click on Next. And it's going to ask, do you want to fully clean the drive? So if you just want to remove your files, use this if you're keeping your PC. I'd probably select the first one for most people. Second option is going to be fully clean the drive. So if you're going to be recycling it or giving it to someone else for like a donation, probably want to select the second option here. But most people, like I said, probably go with just removing your files. So I'm going to select that. And it's going to give you one final prompt. Ready to reset your PC. This will remove your personal files and apps from your PC and restore all settings to their defaults. If you use file history, make sure the latest versions of your files are copied to your file history drive before you proceed. This will take a few minutes and your PC will restart. Left click on Reset. Again, this will take some time. Please be patient, and I will jump back in with a narration once we see some progress. Okay, so you want to select your region and language here, country, keyboard layout, time zone, whatnot, then left click on next. You have to agree to the end user license terms. So you can go ahead and personalize the color of your Windows theme if you choose to do so, and whatever you want to name your computer. So I'm going to name it the very original computer, and I'm left click on next. If you want to use express settings, you're welcome to, or you can left click on customize. So if you want to allow network for home or work, you can go select yes. If you're going to be in public place, select no. So let's say I'm going to select public place here. And then you can choose if you want Windows Update to automatically install updates or do not set up updates. So you have a couple choices there. If you want to automatically set up device driver information, you can automatically update your apps. If you want to turn on smart screen, you can leave that on. Do not track requests for an Explorer, that can be on as well. Select next for that. So use Windows error reporting. You want to keep all this stuff on. I might turn off send Microsoft info about how I use my PC, location data, and how I use help as part of the experience improvement program. I'm going to just turn that off just for my own personal opinion. And then share info with Microsoft and other services. I'm actually going to just turn these off, all of them here, except for maybe the last one for the Microsoft Active Protection Service when Windows Defender is on. I might keep that on. Then I'm off going next. And then you want to create an account. So if you're going to use a Microsoft account, you type it up there. Or you could create a new account. So I'll off go and create a new account. This is also how you would go about creating a local account on your computer. So if you want to set up a Microsoft web-based account, you're welcome to, or you just do a local account, so just sign in without a Microsoft account. And at this point, you type in your username, password. If you want to leave it blank, you're more than welcome to. It just means there won't be a password, and then a password hint, and then left click on finish. Okay guys, so there we go. So that should hopefully be about it. Do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.